students, I am going to discuss a problem related to Set's theorem. Okay, you know Set theorem. Of course, I am not going to details about theorem. I am just directly moving to the problem. Okay, look, the problem is about the playing game of a concern. Different person play different game, and all person involved at least with one of the game. The games are football, tennis and cricket. So different information given. Total football playing person is 144. Total cricket playing is 132. Yes, 132. And total tennis playing is 123. And it is given altogether 256 person involved with this game. Either 1, 2 or 3. Because you know, this reason indicate the person who are involved with all the 3 types of game. Okay. So this is common thing. I think if you are initially introduced with set, then it is not a difficult thing. Okay. Now our question is, look, I am making set. Our question is this. You have to find the number of person related to only tennis. You know, this different reason. This is indicating the person involved with only football and tennis, not cricket. This I given double tick mark. This indicate the person only loving cricket and tennis but not football. And this middle part which I made dark shade, that is all the 3 games. Okay. So to get it, imagine if we can find this, that is I am making vertical sign. Look, if we can find this reason, then subtracting from 256 we can get the desired result, that is number of person involved only with tennis. So to do this, you know, this is another simple formula related to Set theorem, that is N F union C. What is the relation for it? NF NC minus N F intersection C. Of course, remember in question all these reasons are also individually given, that is person involved with only football and cricket. Okay, this is this result. So put the values. NF 144, NC 132. Okay, I think information will not create any problem. 132 minus football and cricket. Look, from if given data, football cricket 63. Okay, so this result is 6, 7 and 2 minus 63. 3, 1, 2. Now subtract this from total person who are involved with this. So your result is 256 minus, sorry, I am removing just simple this part. This is 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3. So what is the result? 43. So according to the question, the answer is option I think answer option B. Whatever we actually at this moment, I have no that information. There is alternative, sir. So it may be answer B. Okay, bye.